If you ever overhear someone in your company who's been there a long time talking on the phone, it doesn't matter whether they're in sales or customer service or human resources or operations, listening to that person on the phone, if they've been there a long time, it's like poetry in motion, right? They know the exact answer to every question that could be asked at them. They answer it perfectly. They set up the answer. They ask the right questions following that question to just make sure that they qualify it exactly. They know what they're doing. It's great to listen to them. Now compare that to a newer employee. What does that sound like? It's pretty bad, right? As my teenagers would say, it's kind of cringy, definitely cringe. So you hear those people on the phone and you're like, that's ugly. And why is that? Well, because they haven't had the experience, right? The experienced people have heard that question 50 times. They've had the experience of saying the wrong thing, saying the right thing, going and finding the right answer, qualifying the question with more questions. They've had these experiences 50 times over, so they've honed it and it sounds great. And actually, the customer really loves it. They really love hearing that, and it really gives you a lot of credibility for your company. How can we get those newer folks up to speed faster, as opposed to making it take like 3 to 5 years for them to get to that level? And maybe a lot of them never even get to that level. Well, there is a way, and it's done through AI these days on your phone system, and I'm gonna talk to you about it in this video. But first, really quick, if you'd like my recommendation on the best cloud phone system solutions for your business, reach out and contact me. I will help you make a better decision in a fraction of the time. And also, check out our website, AeroCominc.com. You can actually see all the major service providers for cloud business phone systems, and you can filter them by feature. You can read reviews on them by other IT professionals for mid-sized companies. You can watch videos on the providers, read about them, all kinds of good stuff. We've spent a lot of money on this website and we spent a lot of time on it. You'll never see anything like it. Go check it out. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, ring the bell, all that fun stuff. That helps get our videos out to more people. I'd really appreciate it. So how do you get your new HR person to know what they're doing when they're answering the phone a little bit faster, or a salesperson, or a customer service person, or a billing person? How do you get these folks up to speed faster? Well, AI can help you with that, and they can do it through screen pops. So through AI, based on certain keyword combinations or speech detection, the person on the phone can get a little toast, a little pop-up on their screen that tells them information. So think about things like if a salesperson is talking on the phone to a customer and a competitor's name is mentioned, maybe they can get a screen pop with a battle card that shows the differences between that competitor and your company. Or maybe customer service is answering the phone and a product is mentioned. Instead of having to fumble through all the product literature to try to find that product, automatically, if they list maybe the model number or the product name, it can do a screen pop with a link to that product page so that it gives them all the details on that product. Or maybe someone's making a call and you want to have a script. It can automatically pop a script for different situations. So like maybe there's an objection on the call with the salesperson about pricing. Maybe there's an objection about customer service. It can automatically pop scripts and little notes that can happen. So think of those things. Also, think about customer sentiment. If somebody's getting angry on the phone, it might pop a script to de-escalate a call. If the person on the phone is talking too fast, maybe a little pop-up can pop up and just give them a reminder that they're talking too fast and they need to slow down a little bit. So a lot of different things there through AI that can help anyone on the phone be a little bit more educated, be a little bit more confident, be a little bit more aware of how to speak more intelligently on the phone to whomever they're speaking with. It kind of helps them get up to speed. And these are things that used to be only available to call center software solutions, but now actual regular business phone system solutions are coming out with these types of features using AI. So don't think just because you don't have a call center that you can't use AI or any of these fancy features. It can actually help your regular business folks really improve their phone skills and help them deliver a better experience to whomever they're speaking with, whether it's an HR person speaking to an employee, or whether it's a salesperson or customer service person speaking to a customer. It can improve that communication, which is going to help your business. So if you like my recommendation on the best cloud business phone system service providers to quote that have those types of AI features, reach out and contact me. Send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help you. I'll help you make a lot better decision in a lot shorter period of time. I've been a broker in this industry for over 20 years, and I represent all of the major business phone system solutions out there. So I'll ask you a few questions about your company's requirements, and based on those answers, I can quickly tell you which service providers your business should be quoting. Especially if you have like a mid-sized business, around 100 employees or more, that's really my sweet spot, is mid to large size companies. So absolutely reach out, give me a call, I will help you. And I will not only do that, I will not only introduce you to the right companies, I will introduce you to the right people at those companies to work with. I will oversee the demo of the system. I will oversee the quoting process to make sure you get the best pricing. And when it comes to contracts, I can help you with terms and conditions and give you suggestions for requests to make on the contract. So reach out, contact me. Best thing of all, you won't have to pay me at all. The service providers pay me my broker fee. So no excuse not to at least reach out and see what I have to say. Okay, also don't forget to take a look at our website, as I mentioned earlier, AeroCominc.com. Go there, you can search phone system solutions by feature. You can also read reviews. You can also watch videos, read about the service providers, see what features they have, all kinds of cool stuff. You'll never see another website like it. Go take a look at it. We spent a lot of time and money on it. And just a reminder, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching another video of mine, and I will catch you on the next one.